Hey guys, it's Mike from Element Pure. Today I'm just doing a walkthrough of the desktop version of the shirt customization. So it's basically the same as the mobile version, but obviously you're gonna see the desktop user interface instead. So I'll go through examples. So first thing you have to do is you have to come to this URL. It's elementpure.com/custom. You're also gonna get a link when you receive the Kickstarter email and update when you guys are can actually go in to customize the shirts, which will be very soon. So once you come to this URL, you have to make sure you log into your account. So we're gonna put all the coupons into your Kickstarter email accounts. So you need to make an account at elementpure.com with the Kickstarter emails that you backed with. That way you're going to get the coupons in there, and I'll show you in a second why that's the case. So let's go through one example. So I'm going to come here and choose the All Season White 12. There's going to be way more shirts very soon. So once again, you hit this customize button and it brings you to the customization screen, and I'll go through this very quickly so because you've seen the previous video already, but the shirt length is how long you want it to the shirt to be. So there's two ways you can wear it, whether it's tucked or untucked. Because that was a business shirt, I'm going to leave it tucked. I'm going to leave it as regular fit, but you can choose whatever fit that you like. And I'm going to choose the front placket because it's a business shirt, and I'm going to keep the buttons and the button thread color the defaults, and I'm not going to have a trim on this shirt, so I select no. And for monogram, I'm going to add my monogram here, my initials, and you can also go ahead and choose your font, the position, and the color of the monogram thread, so how the monogram will actually look. So once that's all done, you can hit next or add to cart, and it's going to basically add this shirt to your cart. So you have a chance here to review all the customizations that you've made, and you can also adjust the quantity. So if you want to order two of the same shirts, obviously it's probably a better idea to order a different style shirt, but let's say you want to order two, you have to make sure you press update cart and the price will change. So I'm only going to order one here, and so all of you guys will receive a coupon code unique to your account that will take exactly the amount of pricing off that for the amount that you pledged already on Kickstarter. So in this case, I've pledged for one shirt, so I'm going to receive a $179 discount because the shirt total pricing is $179. So all I have to do actually is really simple. I click on this coupon here, and it's going to apply the coupon. So your total is going to come to $0, and all you have to do is proceed to the checkout screen. So here you're going to fill out all your information, and once this is all correct and everything's good, you just check you've read the TNC and you place your order. So once your order has been placed on the desktop site, you have to make sure you go to the app. There's a walkthrough for the app part that I'll show you right after this part, but you do have to assign your size profile via the mobile app so that we can actually start making a shirt. Alright, thanks guys.